Hello, how you doing? Gonna make this today, cauliflower cheese soup. Very, very simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here's the star of the show, cauliflower. That's one sort of decent size head, you know, like my hand sort of thing, just roughly chopped up. Okay, so there's 3 cups of potatoes cut there, 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of cream cheese or Philadelphia cheese. It's actually 180 grams. It's that. Tablespoon of garlic. So absolutely nothing to this. You're going to need a nice large pot. In there I've got some oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. You could use butter if you want, and you can use any type of oil. In goes the 2 cups of onion, the 3 cups of potatoes. Now I just measured out this cauliflower, so this is about 7 cups. But again, you can really play around with this. A tablespoon of garlic. Salt. Black pepper. Above medium heat. 5 minutes. Okay, so we give that a nice little head start. What we're going to do now is I'm going to add 3 pints of stock. I've got vegetable stock here. If you want, you can just use water. No problem. Now, I've not put any herbs or spices in this. If you want, try some thyme, some rosemary or something like that. Okay, what we're going to do, bring that to the boil, let it go. What we're looking for is baby food, everything really soft. So it's probably going to be about 8 or 9 minutes once it reaches boiling point. Okay, off goes the heat, all really nice and soft, you know. What we're going to do now is we're going to liquidize this into a beautiful soup. Okay, look, I've got one of these fellas that goes inside and yeah, it whizzes it up. I'll spare you the noise, it's quite noisy, but it's just going to take about 3 minutes. Okay, you can see that that is super, super thick. Let's get that cheese happening. So I'm using a cream cheese or a soft cheese, as I showed you earlier, 180 grams of that. But if you wanted, you could add cheddar cheese or something like that. Let's give this another whiz and see how it looks. Okay, now look, I'm going to add just a little bit of chopped parsley in there. And job done. One more little mix. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Just going to finish this off with a little bit of sweet paprika on the top. That is absolutely wonderful cauliflower cheese soup. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.